Hello, good people. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing amazing. I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. If you are here for the first time, my name is Arship and I code. So basically, I'm working on this amazing project and I've been quite slow with the update and posting. The reason behind is that it's really difficult for me to film at the same time when I'm coding. Like it requires a lot of attention on both sides, on the video side, on the programming side. So I've been making some progress, but unfortunately I wasn't able to really film everything. But today I have quite some time. I decided to film what we're gonna do today. And for those who don't know, I am currently working on a project that's aiming to create an app. The app will allow people to request for trash pickups or to see where they can drop their trash, with the main goal, which is to recycle those items. So basically, if you have recyclable items like paper, plastic, glasses, so you can actually request for a pickup, and a company or people, or I don't know yet who will be in charge of that, to come collect it. And then you can also see a couple of community events related to the green life and all of those nice things based on recycling and all of those good habits. But then anyway, let me show you a little bit how the app is supposed to look like. So what I'm showing you right now is a Figma design. Don't mind, it's quite messy because I was still learning how to use Figma. So basically, this is how the app is supposed to look like. I'm supposed to have on the dashboard, I'm supposed to have the logo, to have the profile section, the search section, and on the left side, we call it a side or menu. So basically, I'm gonna have all these options to help the user to navigate properly. So you have the home, the request pickup, video or tutorials, community events, and we can also get in touch. And then in the middle there, we have just a picture to present what's supposed to be recycled, and also the card. So this is just for the dashboard, right? Yeah, you see, as I'm saying, it's quite a lot for me to think of, like videos and this and coding. That's why it's making me really slow and discouraged to do everything at the same time. But yeah, so now so far this is what I have. Okay, so I did a couple of updates in terms of colors. Everything now looks more or less the way I want it to be. I have a problem here. As you can see, I have a big space between the main area and the body. I'm gonna try to fix it. I'm gonna try to fix a couple of stuff if I have more time, because now I've already implemented a couple of effects like this. Still missing on the side, but we are getting there. So today I'm gonna add as you saw, we have a couple of cards here, like that's gonna display a couple of information. So that's what we're gonna do. Let me just show you my process. What I do is, you see, I want to see the section. Where is the empty section coming from? Right, this is where we are, and the problem is the empty space there. So what I'm thinking might be the column. So basically, I will show you in the code right now. So basically, that spot is I think it's the main area. Oh, where am I? Come on. Yeah, here's the main area. So when it says call MD9, by the way, I'm using Bootstrap. So when it says like that, it means when we are on a medium screen, this section will take 9 what the words can I use? So like it divided into sections, I think columns I would say, and then it has like 9 of the, I think there are 12. So when it's on medium, then it's gonna take 9. So I'm thinking if I change it, let's say to 10, just to see. Okay, let's refresh the page. Oh yeah, there we go. So now it's full, which is good. I love it. So now I'm gonna try to implement the card that's supposed to lay here, and according to the design it's supposed to look like this. Yeah, so I need 3 cards. Okay, it's always good to visualize when you're working so that you know how you are progressing and what you want to see, what you don't want to see. And yeah, so now I have this. I will have to start implementing it. So I have to go on Bootstrap. Okay, let's go to the home page. Oops, you see, we have this card, but then they are on the wrong section. So I have to make a way to push them up here. So now we can see the cards are quite fixed, so they need to actually follow each other. So what I can do is I will just try to fix the div again. We're almost there. See how it looks like now. So I want them to be like following each other on the same row. So let's have to fix it again. Yeah, we're back again. So I had to make a lot of tweaks to the code to finally get this. Okay guys, so this is what I got after the tweaks I made. So it's kind of getting somewhere. I just don't know how to feel about the color on the card. Yeah, really challenging, and I don't know what to think of. And also I will have to modify the buttons to make them look kind of nice, but before I do that, I want to first go back to the aside and add a couple of effects. You see, for example, if I select profile, you see how it's on hover, it's the text becomes white and all of this, and I want to have the same effect as well on the home. So I have to do it now. Let me open the IDE. All I have to add is I have to make it a button. Already by doing this, I think it's gonna have some basic effect. Okay, let me show you. You see, for example, now if I hover, you see how it becomes, but I'd rather have it become white. So I'm gonna have to make it lighter, apply the change. You didn't see it, but yeah, now when I refresh, you see it becomes whiter, and then I have that. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same for all the other options as well. The easiest thing to do is to just copy this line, and I'll just paste it here. Okay, so I made a lot of tweaks, and finally we have something. Let me show you. Okay, here we go. So here is the new right, it's the new layout. So we have some effect on the side, which is good. We have our card down here, and we have the profile section, we have the search section. Everything is working properly. So I just need to fix really slight things. For example, here I need to extend the aside section, and I will have to also try to maybe extend or do something here. And then actually I don't want to extend. What I want to do is I want to have a scrollable here in the main area. I want it to be scrollable instead of us scrolling down with the entire page. I just want us to scroll down from this section. So yeah, I want everything to be fixed, so maybe I will have to modify again. But yeah, this is for today. Thank you for watching me, and thank you for your support. If you really love this type of content, do not forget to subscribe, and yeah, leave a comment, share with your friends, and I really hope to see you next time. Bye.